So it's a new product for me. सबको अभी खाना बनाना है. Hi, I'm Akansha. In this video, we are going to be rating all of the Plum Goodness products that I have used so far. आई थिंक आज तक मैंने प्लम के कुछ 30 प्रोडक्ट्स तो यूज़ किए होंगे. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज देयर प्लम नेचर स्टूडियो काजल. दिस वाज माय वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव एवर यूज्ड फ्रॉम देम. इट इज़ स्मच प्रूफ, नो डाउट. इट इज़ वाटर प्रूफ एज वेल. बट अगर आपकी आईलिड बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेट करती है और बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती है, देन यू कैन नॉट गेट दैट इफेक्ट. ओके, so far out of all of the kajals that I have used, this is the best one. That's true. It's just recently that I have started using this product. I'm talking about their green tea exfoliating peel. It's a really good beginner friendly peel. इसके जो concentrations हैं acids के, those are the lowest among all other peels that are available in India of currently. If you are someone जिसने आज तक कभी भी use नहीं की है chemical peels, this is for you. Definitely go for this. Okay, then comes a product from their body loving range. So it is the Driving Me Cherry Scrub body scrub. I recently got it in my mystery box. If you guys have not watched that video yet, this is how it looks. Go give it a watch. So this is a very good scrub indeed. It smells really sweet and lovely. अगर आपको ज़्यादा cherries, berries, sweet fragrances पसंद है, you will surely love this. And it does the job pretty well. बहुत अच्छी तरह से scrub कर देती है आपके skin को. It's a body scrub and it has cellulose beads which are spherical, irregular shape नहीं है जो कि micro tears कर देते हैं आपके skin में. It's a really good scrub. I give it a thumbs up and you can definitely go for this. So the Opsy Daisy body mist is something I had used and the fragrance was nice. It did not last that long. 2-3 घंटे के लिए बस लास्ट करती है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. द फ्रेगरेंस इज़ वेरी लाइट, वेरी स्वीट, थोड़ी फ्लोरली टाइप की फ्रेगरेंस है. ऑनेस्टली इट्स नॉट अप टू माई टेस्ट. आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट मच, बट इट्स गुड. इट्स डिसेंट फॉर समवन हु लाइक स्वीट फ्लोरली फ्रेगरेंसेज. आई थिंक यू विल लव दिस. देन आई हैव वन मोर बॉडी मिस्ट विच इज़ देयर ऑर्किडियो नॉट बॉडी मिस्ट. दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ अ वेरी प्लेजेंट फ्रेगरेंस, बट आई थिंक कुछ लोगों के लिए दिस माई ट्रिगर हेडेक्स बिकॉज इसकी ना कुछ ऐसी नोट्स है which can be a bit triggering for you, but otherwise it's a nice florally थोड़ी sweet fragrance and yeah, it's good. और थोड़ी देर के बाद इसकी fragrance थोड़ी transform हो जाती है soft fragrance में. Initially बहुत ही ज़्यादा harsh और in your face fragrance लगती है. It's not one of my favorite fragrances, but it's good. It's decent. Okay, next up we have their niacinamide serum, which is a recent launch. It is a 10% niacinamide serum. I have been using this for like 3-4 weeks now and it's a good product, I must admit. I was contemplating on buying this, but then I got it in the mystery box again. So I used it and it has rice ferment extract as well, which gives it anti-aging benefits. And niacinamide, we all know that it's an all-rounder ingredient. So yes, I really love this serum. You can definitely go for this. It's again very affordable. Then we have a couple of products from their Vanilla Vibes range. So I have used their shower cream. It's a non-leathering formula. It's a body wash for you guys who are wondering कि shower cream क्या चीज़ है. तो it's like a lotion. आप जब इसे apply करेंगे आपके skin पे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप कोई body cream या lotion apply कर रहे हो, but actually it's a body wash. You can also use this as a shaving cream. ठीक है. Again, I've used their Vanilla Vibes body mist. It smells delicious. It has a very unique vanilla fragrance. It's not like that tacky sweet vanilla का fragrance. It's a very different kind of fragrance जो मुझे honestly initially पसंद नहीं आई थी, but then now I'm hooked. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Plum has actually launched shower gel as well in the Vanilla Vibes variants. I have to try that out very soon. So yeah, that's about it. Okay, next we have the Vanilla Vibes body scrub. This body scrub is not up to the mark. I feel it does not meet your expectations. It smells lovely, it hydrates your skin, but it does not scrub your skin at all. As soon as you start scrubbing it or rubbing it on your skin, it melts down completely because it's a sugar scrub, right? So it melts down completely and आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप कोई body oil apply कर रहे हो आपके skin में. So that is not something we expect from a body scrub. If we are using a scrub, we want want our skin to get exfoliated, जो बिल्कुल नहीं होती है. It just moisturizes your skin. Last product from Vanilla Vibes is their body yogurt. It's a very lightweighted formula, hydrates your skin very well and does not leave it tacky or greasy. Smells nice, but इसकी fragrance exactly same नहीं है Vanilla Vibes के बाकी products से. So that was something I did not like. I wanted to smell exactly same like Vanilla Vibes के सारे दूसरे products, especially the body mist which I love. We have is the Hawaiian Roomba body oil. I hated this product you guys because 3-4 महीनों के बाद इसकी जो fragrance थी ना, that changed completely. Yes, it transformed from that pleasant smelling Hawaiian Roomba smell to a very pungent सरसों का तेल वाला fragrance. I wish कि मैं आप लोगों को I could have let you smell that. I contacted Plum and they were kind enough to replace that product for me, and they also took it back to check कि what went wrong with that product. So I'm really happy that they took this initiative and they were considerate enough to just check कि क्या हुआ actually उनके product के साथ. But otherwise initially it was a very nice smelling body oil. बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइजिंग भी है, काफ़ी अच्छे से हाइड्रेट करती है आपके स्किन को. विंटर्स के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है. बट येस, अगर हर एक प्रोडक्ट के साथ, हर एक सैम्पल के साथ ऐसा ही होगा दैट इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस इज़ गोना गेट चेंज इनटू सरसों का तेल वाला फ्रेग्रेंस, आई थिंक देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट इन बाइंग दिस. So yes, I will not recommend this product. Next up is the green tea night gel. Oh my god you guys, this was the most disappointing product that I have ever used from Plum. It did nothing. It literally did nothing for my skin. I had acne, that was when I used this, and it actually did nothing, you know. At least for me it did not work. अगर आपके लिए this works well, then it's well and good, just continue with this. But I'm just saying that मेरे लिए, for my skin, for my issues, it did not really show any good results. Also I felt that इसको यूज़ करने के बाद ना मेरी स्किन और डल लगती थी the next morning, so I do not want that obviously. It's a nape product for me. I will not recommend this ever. Okay, then we have the Illuminance moisturizing cream. This product is worse than the green tea night gel. I feel it did nothing. It makes your skin so oily, so greasy. कुछ moisturizers होते हैं ना जिनको लगाने के बाद आपकी स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा डल लगने लगती है for some reason. I'm not a huge fan of this product. I did not like it. Rather, I should say I hated it because it's just crap in my opinion. I hate to say this about Plum, but trust me, this product is not worth your money. Yeah, don't go for this. Then we have the White Tea Night Souffle. This is a product that again I got as soon as it launched. It has a very very thick formula and it has a jiggly wobbly jelly type of a consistency because it's a souffle obviously. It does moisturize your skin a lot. It's a very heavy duty moisturizer indeed because it's a night cream, and it does take some time to seep into your skin. I would say it's an okay product. I do not like it that much. Then comes the White Tea Day Cream. This is again not that great. I feel मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई थी ये cream, but my mom used it. It's a nice day cream. I think इसमें SPF भी थी and it does not make your skin greasy or oily. अच्छी lightweight moisturizer है. So yeah, you can go for this. Then I've used their green tea mattifying moisturizer. I did not like that product much because it makes my skin, makes my face very sweaty and warm. कोई moisturizers होते हैं ना ऐसे कि उनको लगाने के बाद ही आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म लगती है, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है. राधा ये मॉइस्चराइज़र ग्रीसी या हैवी तो नहीं है बिल्कुल, ये मैट फिनिश देती है आपको, बट द फीलिंग दैट यू गेट ऑन योर फेस आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस इज़ वेरी सफोकेटिंग इन अ वे. आई फील I do not feel that my skin is breathing, so I will not recommend this product. I do not like it. They came up with a fragrance free and oil free version of their green tea moisturizer. It's a really decent product. It has really good ingredients like glycerine and sodium hyaluronate. Then और एक चीज़ क्या थी इसमें, niacinamide भी है. So हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छे ingredients हैं. Concentrations बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है इन ingredients के, but yeah, they are there for the name's sake. But I think it's a really good moisturizer. मेरे स्किन पे कोई रिएक्शन भी नहीं हुई इसे यूज़ करके. So yes, and it's oil free, so that's a really big advantage. I've also used the Hawaiian Roomba body lotion. Honestly, I did not like that product at all. It smelled nowhere near Hawaiian Roomba. Like the shower gel and the body mist की जो fragrance है ना, body lotion की बिल्कुल भी वैसी नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है. Yes, it's a good texture वाली body lotion, very lightweighted, suitable for summers. It was a gel-based body lotion, so it's clearly not heavy or greasy. Then comes the Illuminance क्लेंजिंग बाम. इसे भी मैंने यूज़ की है कई बार एंड ऑनेस्टली आई फेल्ट दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट डिडंट वर्क वेल ऑन माई स्किन बिकॉज आई हैव एक्ने प्रोन स्किन एंड आई टेंड टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्लॉग पोर्स. I felt that this clogged my pores even more and I got acne by using this, so I discontinued using. But I have seen some people जिनके लिए this has worked wonders. It works like magic to remove the makeup. There is no doubt that it removes makeup or not. It definitely does remove your makeup flawlessly, but I was cringing a lot इसे use करने में अपने face पे because I was like I am clogging the hell out of my pores. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं इसको लेने के लिए, if you have dry skin or if you have normal skin you can go for this, but अगर आपकी oily skin है या clogged pores की issue है, acne prone skin है, I think you should stay away from this. Okay, then we have the Illuminance toner. This toner is again a very good one. इसके smell मुझे पसंद नहीं. Actually, to be honest, the very fragrance of this Illuminance range I hate for some reasons, and the toner also I hated the fragrance, not the toner. It is a nourishing toner and it is specially meant for dry, sensitive and very dry skin. तो इसमें glycerin है और कई सारे ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे ingredients हैं, so it can help your skin to stay hydrated and moisturized. Next is the white tea face wash. This again has the pretty same consistency like the green tea face wash. Honestly, I did not like it that much because मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इसे use करने के बाद ना I got some pimples on my face, not pimples but bumps on my face rather, so I discontinued using it from the first use itself and I actually gave it away in a giveaway box, in a catalytic box. So yeah, it did not suit my skin, but if you're using this and it's working fine for you, then continue using this, of course. Next product is the grape seed mist. Now this is an all-purpose mist. You can use it to refresh your face, to awaken your face in the morning, as a mist to refreshen your face after a long hectic day or at work or college. You can also use it as your makeup setting spray, or you can also use it as a toner. This again has fragrance but it smells really nice. I think sometimes मैं इसे ना as a body mist भी use करती थी because yeah, it has that amount of fragrance. So yes, I will not really recommend this product. Next we have the green tea face wash. This is a very good face wash. It has tiny scrubbing particles as well. It's not a proper face wash. It has those physical scrubbing particles, but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, थोड़ी है, scattered है. It's again fragranced and it has glycolic acid, which is an AHA. It helps to exfoliate your skin. And all in all, I like this face wash. It's not bad. I just wish कि इसमें fragrance ना होती तो और अच्छा होता. But it's a wash off product, so that's not a big issue. I still use it sometimes. Even my mom has been using this face wash of lately, and it is also affordable. It comes in 2 sizes, so yes, this is a good product. Thumbs up from my side. Next up we have the green tea face mask. I used this face mask a lot when I was having a lot of acne issues and I felt that this worked to reduce my acne, but after a time I felt that इसको लगा के कोई difference नहीं आ रही है मेरे skin में, so I stopped using it. अभी भी पड़ी है थोड़ी face mask जो मैंने इसे ख़त्म भी नहीं की. So yeah, it's a clay mask, so clay masks are very good to detoxify your skin and to dry down your acne. So yes, you can give it a try. It's not a bad product, it's okay. Okay, please bear with me, we have 4 more products left. The green tea face scrub is yet another product that I loved. I got this as soon as it got launched. I think I must have been the first person to order this, and this is a very mild and gentle scrub. It does not has harsh scrubbing particles. That was something I loved. Again, it had the goodness of green tea and glycolic acid. Also, I guess it has physical scrubbing particles which are not that harsh. You can do with these, and yes, I like the scrub quite a bit. Next up we have the white tea toner. Now this is again a very good toner. It has fragrance in it, so that is something I do not like currently because at present I am following a complete fragrance free day skincare routine. But back then when I was not that aware about fragrances, I used this religiously, and it also showed good results on my skin, I won't lie. I have made my sister use this as well, and she's been loving this too. So yeah. Next up is yet another toner. It's their green tea toner. This was also one of my favorite toners back then. I used this religiously as well. Now the green tea and the white tea toners were my staple, and they have come up with a fragrance free version of the green tea toner as well currently, so that is a really good thing, Plum. Okay, then we have one of my favorite products from Plum, their Hawaiian Roomba Shower Gel. This is so far my most favorite body wash after the Fiyama Divas Blackcurrant and Beer Berry shower gel. It smells heavenly. The fragrance lingers on your body for a very long time. It lathers up very well. You need the tiniest amount using a loofah, and also it nourishes your skin. I've also tried the body mist from the same range, the Hawaiian Roomba body mist. This again smells exactly same like the shower gel. I love both of these products very much. I still have 2 backups for these. The body mist is again very good. The fragrance stays on your body for around say 5-6 घंटे. The body mist I feel is not that affordable. मुझे price थोड़ी steep लगती है, but you can always get it on a sale. It's not an issue. Okay, I think with that it's a wrap. Finally, I think आधे घंटे का video हो चुका है. I hope this video was of some help for you and you found it informative. If you did, then do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.